PlayStation.
New Xbox and PlayStation 5 are some of the hottest gifts this holiday season, but they're pretty much sold out everywhere.
All right, Morty, go. Talk about the thing. They paid us a lot.
Okay, yeah, this is the PlayStation 5. It's
Emily Buss, a student here at SIUE. You're waiting for that PS5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Talk about that.
So I'm here for the digital PS5.
Escalate when they learned there were a limited number of PS5s left. She claims they waited all day in line, and then in the end there was a confrontation with a police officer.
This is the closest I'll ever get close to a PlayStation 5. Look at it. That is the closest I'll ever see one in close. Look how remarkable it is. Such a rare breed, such an endangered species of hardware. One day it will be mine.
Vlog number 988. Still no success on obtaining the PS5. Still trying. It will be mine. It will be mine. Okay, this is vlog number 2015. No PS5 yet. It's August, middle of August, and no PS5 yet. I almost secured a PS5 in Target about a month ago, but the savages, they got to it first. I'm still trying to get the PS5. I will have it. I will have it. Block number 5,000. Still no PS5. And still trying. Still trying. But no PS5. It will come this year. Mark my words. 2021, by Christmas, I will have it. I will have it. Yeah, this is my friend. All right. I winked, and they said no PS5s, right?
No PS5.
And I did the wink, so it doesn't work. It doesn't work. All right. At Target, it better be here, goddammit. The PS5 better be here. I'm here at Target. Let's go. Let's get it. Sony, I've done what you asked. I've done everything. I got the 3 and 4. I just need the 5. Why?
2 weeks later.
Yeah! PS5. Let's open it up. What do we got? All right. The controller. This must be the stand. Plug. HDMI cable.
He's like, look at all this paper in these tiny boxes that I can destroy.
Look at it in all its splendor.
Did
Come,
you hear him?
young one.
He said,
Come bask in the glory of the PS5. Yes, their king has returned.